Hi, this is Vijay Wadagbalkar, practicing company secretary with 44 years of experience as company secretary, 25 plus years as a corporate company secretary. I had privilege to work with Mr. G.R.D. Tata as company secretary of the Indian Hotels Company Limited, the owners of Taj Group of Hotels, for almost 16 to 17 years, and 5 years as Jet Airways company secretary. Before I started my own practice, effective from 1st of July 2003, and now I am associated as corporate compliance consultant to Hindustan Pencil group of companies, 20 companies, for last 17 years. In addition, I have a sales background. I have sold life insurance of Max Life for 15 plus years. In addition to, I'm a registered financial consultant. I've done a course of train the trainer program of registered financial consultant, and I'm also selling my own. I'm an author of a book called Effortless Weight Loss and Freedom from Diabetes, and I'm selling a concept of freedom from diabetes with zero medicine. And during COVID, I have cured 70 plus patients with zero medicine, zero hospitalization, zero mortality, zero fees. And that is how I am confident I can add value to your firm as a sales closer. Thank you.